All right, so here's a video on how to operate your site. You're going to go to admin on the URL bar right here, and you're going to log in. I'm using 1Password, a password management, so it makes it easy to log in. So starting from the top, we're not using a blog. We probably should maybe in the future, but that would be for your blog post. And the way that works is you have like a blog category page, and then you have your post on that particular page. But we don't have that set up right now. Your next is going to be your media library. This is where you're going to upload all your images. Uh, Pages are going to be, your about us, etc. checkout page. Comments, that's for blog posts and reviews, but we don't have that set up too. Ninja Forms is where you have the contact form or any other form you would like for people to contact you. WooCommerce, this is kind of going into the e-commerce side of the fence. And then we're going to have our orders here. And this is where you're going to look at all your orders. And then you're going to have your products. And I'm kind of skipping some things that don't need to be skipped, like tags and categories and reviews, just things that are not really relevant. And then from here, you can add a new product. Just fill out the necessary information: product name, description, price, shipping. You're gonna put your weight, your dimensions. We haven't. I'll set up shipping shortly. Um, link products. You can. That's gonna show at the bottom of the. Excuse me, of the product page. That's going to let you suggest other products. And that's pretty much it. Your short description, your image. These can be drag and drop around too. So you can put it here, right between, like right here, if you want. And this is where you're going to put your image. And then below that, you're going to have your gallery. So you're going to have your image, and then you're going to have your gallery, which is going to be a picture box underneath the main picture with a carousel of images below. And then you can put it into categories too to organize your products. Right now, I think everything's kind of or by default it's uncategorized, but we can set up different categories too to make it easier to view on the front end for the users. Going into payments, like I said, we're gonna set this up, and then that's pretty much it. You're gonna have your coupons here. If you want to put a coupon on Elementor, these are just the global settings, which are pretty much all set up. Same with templates. These are Elementor templates that are going to be, you don't really need to use them. If you want to create a template and reuse the same piece of content, I can send you, you can look that up on Elementor how to do that. It's more advanced. I don't think you're going to be doing that. And then we have our plugins that are going to be updated, your users, and then just some default site settings that I don't think you're going to be needing to use at all. So that's pretty much covers the back end of the fence, and then I'm going to go into the front end. And this is where, if you want to update a page, this is all you need to do is go into edit with Elementor on the top bar of each page you want to edit, and from here you can click on and edit the text, etc. Elementor is a pretty robust software, so there's a lot of different settings, but for the most part, you're going to just click on the things you want to update, and then there's content style, and this is where you would change the size, or color, etc. Same with buttons. You click on here, and then content is where you would change the text, etc. And then these products are actually being pulled in from the back end. So this is just a short code pulling in the products from the back end. Okay, so we covered the basics of the back end, the basics of the front end. I think most of your time will be spent inside of products, and adding new products, editing products, existing products, and then probably going to be in orders, fulfilling orders a lot too. So that's going to be WooCommerce and orders. And I don't think you're going to be, doing a lot of styling the website. You might want to change some content. So we went over on how to edit the text content. And for the most part, I'm going to kind of run through maybe some WooCommerce settings. I think we're going to need to set up emails too. So that's another thing that I'll send an email on getting you set up with a proper email server. But Excuse me. So we have addresses here. This is going to fill in your business information, um, products. We're going to be using pounds and inches, of course. Shipping, I'm going to set up the shipping zone, so don't worry about that. Payments, you're going to get set up with Stripe, and I'll connect Stripe to the back end here. And accounts and privacies, we're going to enable guest checkout. And we're going to probably say customers can create an account before placing an order. Yeah, we'll do that. Yep, that'll be good. All right. And then here's your email templates. Right now it's going to me. Once we set up your email, we'll have it go to the admin of the site. Integration, and this is just more advanced stuff, site visibility. Yeah, we have it live right now because we're not really marketing it, so it's fine for people to view it. And we don't have payment set up, so they couldn't even process an order. All right, so that covers everything I think on your end. If you have any questions, please let me know.